Show you how to download and install FabFilter Total Bundle plugin into your digital audio workstation. You can find the download link on my channel in the description below the video. Download the file. Unzip the archive. Run the installation file. The Total Bundle is a set of all FabFilter plugins. With this bundle, you get our professional EQ, reverb, compressor, multiband dynamics, limiter, de-esser and gate expander, creative multiband distortion, delay, filter, and synthesizer plugins. I'll demonstrate how the plugin works in FL Studio software. Launch the software. Refresh the set of plugins. Now, FabFilter Total Bundle appears in the list of plugins. The plugin is already activated, and you do not need to do anything else. I will now give you a demonstration.